Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about converting a disk on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer from a basic to a dynamic disk. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you're going to go ahead and type in disk part, DISK, PART. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're done with that, go ahead and type in list, L-I-S-T, space disk, exactly how you see it on my screen. Go ahead and hit enter. And now you're going to type in select and then space disk and then enter the disk number that you want to convert. So just whatever number you want to convert, type in 0 or 1 or 2, depending on the disk. This disk is not going to be able to be converted, but in your case, wherever your disk is, obviously that's the one you want to convert. You can't convert the only one you have on your computer. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and select disk, type in the number of the disk you want to change to a dynamic type and hit enter. And once you've done that, type in convert dynamic and hit enter. And like I said, it won't work for this type of disk, but in your case, it should work just fine. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.